Hey there, in this video we're going to show you how to start from scratch and build out a basic agent. This agent is going to be for my sample company Rain Tanks Direct that provides rainwater collection tanks. The first thing I like to think about when I'm building out an agent template is really just two questions. One is, what are the types of callers that are calling? Right? Who are they? What do they need? And I'll say it's best to think about it in terms of who are the most important callers that you want to optimize for. And then the second is going to be, what are the possible outcomes for the call, and under what conditions are either or any of the outcomes reached. So I put together, I like to just kind of do this exercise for myself. So we optimize for the most important callers. In this case, for my rain tank supply business, it's a side business. I'm not trying to, have to answer every single call myself, but I also want to make sure that a new customer is given the best quality service. So I'm going to create an agent that simply figures out who the new customers are, and if they're new customers, transfers to me. Otherwise, let them know that the humans are all busy and we're going to take a message and send it to the office. So to do that, what I'll sit down basically and do is, you see the, I'll delete this for the sake of keeping it clean. So this is kind of the default template here. What I like to do is I'll say call flow. And I wrote this out. Follow the steps for each call. Step 1, ask the caller the following questions one at a time and remember their answer. So we're saying, may I have your name, please? Are you a new customer? And what's the best number to reach you on? Step 2 says, if they're a new customer, let them know we're going to transfer them to a representative, and then we'll transfer the call using the call transfer function. Then over here on the call transfer function, we have the transfer number that those calls are going to be transferred to. Otherwise, we're going to let them know that all the representatives are busy, and we'll let them know you called. Ask if they have any other information to include. When they have all the information, we'll thank them for their time, say goodbye, and disconnect the call using the hang up function. Now, what we did here is we made a call flow that accounts for every single possible caller. Either they'll say they're a new customer and get transferred, or anything else, and we'll take a message and we'll send that to the office. A note here, the take a message function is actually not the one that we're going to use. We're going to remove that, and we're going to go here, we're going to add, and we're going to use the notify function. The notify function is going to basically, at the end of each call, it's going to kick off, and it's going to send the caller's details, a summary of what happened on the call, and then it'll send that via SMS, or it will send via email. If it's via email, it'll also include the transcript of the call as well as a link to the call recording. So we'll just say notify Aaron at vida.inc. And with that, I'm also going to go ahead and add my website to the agent. We'll go ahead and change the voice. And now we are good to go. This agent is configured. It will transfer it'll transfer new customers that call. For everyone else, it'll take a message and send it over to my email. If you have any other questions about this or the other capabilities of Vida, feel free to send me an email. It's aaron@vida.io.